In our typical manufacturing process for thermoplastic composites, we take tape from manufacturer as input material where we cut it to size and we stack it. And then in an autoclave or a press, we typically fuse those different layers as a stack together in the right time, temperature and pressure. And what we do here is we apply this temperature globally by bringing the entire stack into melt where all those layers are fused together in the end. So now with welding we apply the same principle of fusion bonding by taking two finalized components, fixing them in a mold together and applying the time, pressure and temperature now locally to melt the interface of the two parts while they will consolidate into one singular structure in the end. Applying this temperature and pressure locally, therein lies the challenge, and that's the key difference here. Now, different welding technologies exist for thermoplastic composites, and they mainly vary in how this local temperature is applied to the joint interface. Takeaway, however, is that welding by fusion bonding is simply very natural to the manufacturing process of thermoplastic composites.